I'm headed home to Seattle from Jolt, and I have to tell you about what happened at the conference. For the first time ever, we offered one-on-one, on-cam performance coaching for advisors, and they showed up. In under an hour, every spot was booked. We had no idea. We coached the introverts, the extroverts, the introverted extroverts, from advisors with no video experience to those wanting to level up. We know from experience, the only way to get better on camera is to keep doing it. Even when it feels uncomfortable, you can't let that hold you back. So from Sharon, Tracy, and me, thank you for signing up and lining up to let us coach you. We're glad we wore our comfy shoes. You kept us on our toes. Now keep recording.